So anyway, we're back, and I started opening this up, and we're going to open some frames, do a quick check. What we've got going is laying. What is our general idea here? We're also going to have it that they can basically get out of here. Yeah. Get in and get out. And we've got our smoker here. Brush stuff here.
I'm going to take off and check the feeders.
Yep, do that.
Some feed's been taken, but not a lot. Not very much at all. Bees are up top.
It does look like they have been eating a little bit of the
pollen.
Yep.
Okay, I'm taking this off.
Ooh.
Bees here. I should do slam it on the.
Don't slam it.
Where the hive
They'll
is.
come off by themselves. Now, let's take our.
By the entrance here. Okay.
Our patty.
Pollen patty. Oh yeah, there's bees on that.
Okay, so.
Oh, they're humming.
That's pretty much what I expect.
We want to start over here or on this on the other end. I think once we find, if we find eggs, we should put it. We'll put it back together.
How about?
And once we
start on this end. Kept doing I was constantly starting on this side over here. Okay, it looks like
plenty of bees.
Yep.
Some comb on the
They're
wall.
obviously eating the comb and the honey. They're eating a lot of the honey. A lot of honey.
Do we see anybody?
No, we don't see anybody. Even though there are
open cells.
Open
cells.
And same over here. I don't see the queen either.
Okay.
I do only see a few bees, and they're pointing their stingers at us, so they're a little bit upset.
Okay.
I got needed. Last iteration in particular, I don't see the queen here either, or brood eggs and stuff, but realistically we probably shouldn't be in this.
We'd like to see eggs.
We would, but
the queen? No.
Nope. That certainly is not the queen.
I just the way it kind of flipped up its wings a little.
Keep this running. Keep this running, guys. Okay, let's take a look over here. And it does not look like we have any eggs or the queen. Although we do have quite a few bees, which I am not really all that surprised about. Let's see if the queen was over here. No, she look like she is. This frame over here is an empty frame. There isn't really all that much that should be going on here. It's one of these. This is also a honey frame, no queen either. And as far as I can tell from here,
not very many bees over here.
Yeah, there seem like they're.
So where the hell's the queen?
That is a pretty good question, because I don't see the queen. And it kind of seems that she should be probably in location of where
these frames that were active. Look at that. Let's take another look for that queen. That was the end frame.
I know. Let's see.
Any chance she's in here that we don't? Because look how they're clustered up here.
Yeah, they're all clustered up in the center too. I don't see the queen here, so it doesn't seem like she's here. Okay, let's put this back in. It's been out here for. I'll take out one of these empty ones.
Hey. The larvae?
No, that's not larvae, Mike. You can't see very well about what's in there. Not larvae. I also see there's a bunch of these clustered to the
You want me to
part here,
smoke it down there?
I kind of don't think that that's the queen. So, who knows? But I'm not testing that there because it's on the corner of the box, so. Doesn't seem like she's either here either.
Moving now.
I don't see her.
What about this queen cup here? Was this there on there before?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Well, let's recheck this frame to see if we find her or any evidence of her.
I didn't see any evidence of her either.
How would the queen be?
That's a pretty good question, but I certainly don't see her. I don't think that we're going to find her. I think that the bees are hiding her somewhere.
We don't see any eggs.
Well, they did say that we...
Well, could be more than a week, but...
I don't think that they killed her, though.
Okay. I'm going to switch out some frames. And with what?
I don't think that we need to switch out any frames.
We do, because we want to wire them.
If you want to do
So
that...
let's take out a honey frame.
There is... Well,
it's not wired. This one's only halfway.
Okay, this is not wired. This is
Wired
wired.
on one side, but it's okay. Take this one.
Okay. This one is not wired either, but it's an empty one, so...
Okay, let's get the bees off of it. I'm putting this in here. Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna get the bees off of
Here.
it.
Put it... Where was it?
I don't remember where it was.
Okay,
So, these. I really can't tell you where it was.
Clear. Need to get this smoker going again here too.
Can you give it to me? Yeah, get it going. To me, it seems like they do have a queen though, but you know, she might be at the
Pull out
bottom
that
there.
frame that we wanted to switch.
This one, it doesn't seem.
Yeah, get up the brush.
I guess we should probably just leave it. They'll get off of it themselves.
One with full with honey or one with just some comb?
The one was just some comb.
Okay, put it back together.
Yep. Unless you want to take out another one, but I don't think so, because all of them are pretty important. Now let's start putting this board and stuff back on here.
Okay. And it's something strange, but
I personally am going to say that
I'm concerned.
probably somewhere in between of concerned and not, because personally I'm
Okay, weather hasn't been that good.
not really too surprised. I really would have been hopeful that we would see some,
At least some eggs were the queen.
but we see neither, and that's a little bit concerning. But this is not particularly also unusual or impossible, so. And they did seem like they were clustered in an area, which is good, but
Indicative of a queen, but where was she?
you know, but realistically, I don't know if whether that's just they're clustered there because it's warmer there, or they're clustered there because the queen is there. But that is pretty hard to tell. So I don't think that they killed her, but that possibility still remains there. So we have to, you know, be considerate of that, of whether they killed her or not. And if they did kill her, we will probably only be able to know by next week, because that's when
we
we'll
definitely need to have eggs brewed by next week.
Yeah, but well, we'll have to wait and see.
Yes.
That's one way to put it. Oh,
How are they doing?
that's about it.
We didn't find the queen.
Bye.